Dear participants, welcome to the workshop on Call for Code using IoT, conducted by Department of Computer Science and Engineering in association with IBM India Private Limited on 27th May 2021 through the online with the WebEx meeting platform at 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. In today's session, we will discuss how to register for this workshop. Okay, here we have 4 steps. With the help of 4 steps, we will register for this workshop. Now I will show how to register for this workshop with the help of. So these 4 steps. The first step is registering into IBM Cloud. IBM Cloud registration is mandatory for attending this workshop. After that, we will register with the Call for Code program. In the third step, we will apply for the token for attending this workshop. Okay, now we will complete these registrations one by one. Please observe carefully. The first registration for IBM Cloud. For that point of view, the URL is https://ibm.biz/B You don't bother about the URL. We will provide the URLs in the comment section. With the help of those URLs, please go through that. So if you have already an account with the IBM, with the help of login, please complete your registrations for the Call for Code. Otherwise, first please register with the IBM. If you have any faults about the previous registration, IBM Cloud registrations, then simply create one new account. Please register with the IBM Cloud once again. Now I will register with my new mail ID. So this is the new registration process. With the help of this registration process, please register for this workshop. Please enter the password with the terms and conditions, one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, special character. Okay, so please follow those terms and conditions. This is the account verification. Now I received one verification code with 7 digits. With the help of those 7 digits, please verify your mail ID. Okay, this is the 7-digit code for the verifying the mail. Okay, if you have any doubts, please free to call those contact numbers. So here, please provide your first name and last name. Simply, I will provide just here select country or region. Okay, please provide your first name and last name here. Okay, so please click on the next. This is the first step. So now we will complete the first step, that is IBM Cloud registration. Now we will go to the second step. The second step is related to the registration process for Call for Code program. Okay, here the process is going on. Please wait. Okay, up to the process completed. After completed, we will move to the second step. So your account was created, logging you in. Okay, now we will see the second step. What is the second step? Register for Call for Code program. With the help of this URL, now we will register for the Call for Code program. Okay, now the URL is https://callforcode.org. You don't bother about the URLs. We will provide it at the comment section. So with the help of those URLs, please go by step. So here, please click on learn how to get started. Okay, so Now, so here you have 4 options: join the community, access the resources, get connected, submit your solution. So once please go through those information. Here we want join the community. So please click on join now. Okay. So this is the second step process. Very simple. Just with the our credentials, our information here, we will register for that workshop. So here the registration is completed for the call for code program. Now the third step. What is the third step? Here we are applied for the token for attending the workshop. So here with the help of this URL, now we will register for the http://bit.ly. Okay, this is the third step is regarding to the permission granted from the IBM to attending this workshop. Okay, so here, so this is the registration process for Eventbrite to track your attendance using the below link. Okay, so click on the register. Next. So please select here the number of tokens you want. Here we will attending as a single person, single user. So please select one. Okay, so please click on the register. Now next here asking our details. So here please enter your details, your first name and last name. After that your email address. Okay, so please enter your details. Email address, please provide your correct email address. Okay, at the time of login, what you are provided. So confirm email. Next here, this is the ticket generation. Okay, for attending the workshop. So after this registration completed, we received one mail from the IBM for acceptance. Okay, so here please select the college name as Chalapati Institute of Engineering and Technology. With the help of Chalapati Institute of Engineering and Technology, now we will attending this workshop. Okay, so this is the, so please provide the correct email address. Okay, so then click on the register. This is the third step, registration. Okay, so after click on the register, you receive one mail from the IBM. So please open your mail ID. Here we will receive the greetings from IBM for attending the workshop. This is the acceptance. Okay, so this is the process for registering into the workshop. Now we will see the fourth step, that is not mandatory, but this is maybe helpful for your workshop. The complete pre-workshop demo. Okay, so please log into the IBM Cloud with the help of credentials. So here the URL is same as the first step URL. So after that, the second step is please go to this URL http://bit.ly/developer quiz. So third one is please change the region to London. Okay, here the region, please change the region to the London. Now the fourth step is click on delivery pipeline. Okay, so please click on the delivery pipeline. And the fifth step is click on new to generate a new application program interface token. So that information is available in the in this screenshot. Okay, so with the help of these points, once please go through these points. This will give you a pop-up. Leave it empty on the click on OK. Click on OK. Next, in the 7th point, please click on the create. So click on the create. Next, the 8th point is click on delivery pipeline to see the number of stages here. Here we have 4 stages. So here, please select the stage view console. Okay, so wait till the stages run completely and click on new console that is available in the second stage. Next, the 10th point is actually this is will take you to the application page, which will look something like this. Click on visit app URL to open the application you just deployed on IBM Cloud using tool chains. This is helpful for to implementing your solution. Now enter your details and now ready to attempt the quiz. Okay, so happy learning. So this is the process for attempting the quiz. So the 4th step is not mandatory for this time. Okay, so the first 3 steps, please complete the first 3 steps. Those are the registration process details. The first 3 steps. Okay, with the help of these 3 steps, please register for the workshop. If you have any doubts regarding this registration, please free to call for those contact details. Thank you.